Welcome back. Let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story. It comes from Gadchiroli, is where we have our ground report. The encounter that took place there this weekend between the Maharashtra police and Naxal groups is being seen as one of the biggest such exercises against Naxals in recent times. Today, the Maharashtra police claim to have discovered the body of another Naxal who was killed during Saturday's encounter, taking the total death toll here to 27. Our correspondent Pankaj Upadhyay has spent the last 2 days in the forest where the encounter took place. Take a look.
On Saturday, gunfire resonated in the thickly forested area around Gadchiroli. It lasted more than 10 hours, and at the end of it, security forces had scored their biggest success in anti-terror operations in recent times. 26 armed Naxals were accounted for in the mega security operation. On Tuesday, the count went up with one more body found in the Mardintola forest. India Today went deep inside what is known as the Naxal country to get a first-hand account of the operation. The thick forest cover and tree-laden hillocks make the area a perfect hideout for the red terrorists. After the encounter, some of the Naxals managed to melt into the jungles, leaving almost no trail. It took the India Today team a trek of nearly 2 hours to find the exact encounter site in the dense forest. A dismantled kitchen was the first sign that there had been a camp for the Maoists. Another kilometer deeper, where the encounter had taken place.
This is the very area where that encounter took place for more than 10 hours. If I turn to my right a little ahead, I again see various bags. There are food items. Again, there are various pictures, clothes, handwritten letters, food packets all around. An indicator enough that the various Naxalites that were fighting with our security forces were carrying not just ammunition, but they knew clearly that perhaps the fight would engage them for long hours, and that is why they were ready with the various food packets as well.
Among those killed in the encounter was the much-wanted Milind Teltumde, a Central Committee member of the banned CPI Maoist outfit. Teltumde was the all-powerful head of the Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh zone. Milind Teltumde had 63 cases against him and carried a bounty of 50 lakh rupees.
जिस तरह से उनकी हानि हुई है, मुझे नहीं लगता है इतनी जल्दी उनका कोई रिटेलिएशन हो सकता है. उसके ऊपर हम ध्यान रखे हुए उसकी भी हम बिल्कुल व्यवस्था करेंगे.
29 weapons including AK-47 rifles, assault rifles with grenade launcher, INSAS rifles and pistols were recovered from the encounter site, an indication that the red terrorists were gearing up for a massive operation. With Pankaj Upadhyay at Ground Zero, Gadchiroli, Bureau Report, India Today.